In 2009, Sarah started writing here because we knew somebody who wrote here. So we thought, well, this is one more thing we can try. And when she first started with a diagnosis of autism, speech and language development disorders, central auditory processing disorder, all these diagnoses that come under the spectrum of autism, all those side things that can make things difficult for a child's life, you know, we started to see progress right away, especially in mood and behavior. We saw it just immediately. We saw changes in the mood and behavior swings. Over the last 2+ years, we have seen Sarah going from not hanging out with kids her own age, girls her own age, and communicating one-on-one or face-to-face to being able to almost stand like them with them and discuss the things that they're talking about and have the language abilities. She can focus better on school. Schoolwork goes by a lot quicker. Also, the mood and behavior things that come with an autism disorder, people call them meltdowns, bad days. Bad days were big several times a week, and it meant we stayed home all day because we had slamming doors, child on the floor screaming at 12 and 13 years old, like a 2-year-old. So those have gone to happening several times a week to happening once every few months, but very brief. Like 15 minutes is a meltdown now, instead of all day. She's learned self-control. She's learned to follow directions, which we didn't think she would ever be able to do, because we were told she wouldn't be able to, but she can now. And today a lady walked up to me at a PE class that we attend as homeschoolers and asked me, you know, has this made a difference in Sarah's life? And I said, look at her. She's standing over there with the girls her age, a whole group of them, and they're talking and jabbering and talking about girl things and nail polish and, oh, your hair looks good, and carrying on. And even last year, that would not have happened with Sarah. You know, so that is the biggest change. The contact with the horses, and not just that, being allowed to volunteer, being allowed to work with the horses and walk alongside and see other people with other issues that, you know, they're overcoming, has grown confidence and self-esteem in a child like Sarah. So she's outgrowing all these things. And we're seeing this at 15 years old. So when you can cancel something out because something else has benefited them, it is way cool.